Oh my gosh, what did I do here? Kidding me? No. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and today I am finally reviewing and swatching the Essence Fall Back to Nature palette. I've been talking about this palette in my recent video, which was a makeup haul, and now I'm finally swatching these gorgeous shades with you guys. So in this beautiful palette we've got a highlighter row and a blush row, and the highlighter row is of course with shimmer in it, and the blush row is with nothing at all, it's just matte basically. So I'm going to swatch these with you guys. Can we talk about the packaging first, because this packaging is goes for 10 euro. I think this is bomb, and also it's so huge compared to a normal palette. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and the Essence one is so much bigger. The actual reason why I picked this palette was because the shades are so perfect for autumn, and I wanted to use these as eyeshadows, not as blush or highlighter, but yeah, maybe they work as highlighter and stuff as well for me. I'm not too sure about it yet, but we will see. I think the smell is pretty nice. It smells like a gum or something, like some sweets. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I think they look pretty cute so far, you guys. So I think I'm just starting with these shades right here, and we will see. Ooh, okay, it's super creamy and pigmented as well, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed already. Ooh, they are so pigmented, you guys. I cannot believe this. Today I look like a pumpkin, by the way, because orange is my favorite color right now, and these shades are perfect, and this orange combination is super pretty, right? Okay, so I'm the rest at swatching, as you can see, so I'm kind of just picking this hand now for the last 4 shades, and ooh, you guys, okay, wow, can we talk about this? Yes, this is literally so pretty for autumn, and the scent, as I said, is so good. I cannot wait to try these out on my eyelashes, I'm sorry, on my eyes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so the swatching is kind of over. I'm trying to wipe these off, but they're super pigmented and they stay on, you guys, they literally stay on. Now I'm going to pick a blush first, and I don't know which one I should be using, but I think I'm using this middle one right here, and it's called Pretty for Mr. Apple, which is super sweet. So I'm just using a Retinix brush and put it on a little bit of the excess, because it's just so pigmented, and then so pigmented. Oh damn. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pigmented. Oh no, what have I done? This side is okay, but Oh my gosh, what did I do here? Are you kidding me? No! I don't know if you can see this because it's so light and like too light outside. The sun is shining way too much, but it's all pigmented. I don't know what to do. Just trying to fix this now with my beauty sponge, but I think I can't. But I think this look would look super cute with like freckles on. Okay, now for highlighter, and I hope this is going to turn out better. I think I'm going with this yellow golden kind of shade. It's called Willow Pumpkin, and we'll see if this is going to work. Oh yeah, this is a sweet shade. It looks kind of golden, which is okay. I think I can use this as a highlighter. Maybe on my nose as well. Oh, you guys, it's so sweet. The scent is amazing. I love it. Okay, you guys, so I'm basically done now. And I'm obsessed with this palette. As I said, I'm going to use these shades for eyeshadow and like my eye makeup and stuff like that. But I think this as a highlighter is pretty cute, and like the blush did work as well. I just used too much product. I think it was my fault. But yeah, I'm super obsessed with this palette. And thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, I guess. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!